Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonk. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line of Bonk retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the retest, a successful retest, it is geared up, and now we have broken out this very strong resistance of $0.00003. That was recently working as support here for a few days. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, here, and here. It was also breaking as a resistance. And therefore, now after the breakout, in fact, it is flipped into a nice support. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that a few hours ago, price line tried to break it down, but could not break it down. And now it is again geared up. And now we are trying to break out the next long-term resistance on that start from 4.0 and goes to 4.4. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term symmetrical triangle that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for AVA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 4th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bonk. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this down channel. After the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the channel as support, and it was getting accumulated above the support. And now it is geared up and broke out this next long-term resistance of $0.003. It was previously breaking as a support here for several days. Before that, it was also breaking as a resistance here and resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, now it will again flip into a nice support. Now, we need to break out this long-term resistance on that start from 40.00004 and goes to double four. And if we take a look at the previous history of this resistance line, then you can see that recently for several days, it has been breaking as support line here. Now for the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance here. It was also breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price. And recently, the price line is once again rejected by this resistance line. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 6.2. And now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and huge symmetrical triangle as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this triangle is here. That is approximately at $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.